Have you ever wondered why Gigi and Bella are the most spoiled sisters on social media? Well, some fans say that the lifestyle and the freedom their mother gives them is the major reason for their spoiled behavior. Yolanda Hadid has definitely provided her children with endless luxuries and a variety of things before other children their age got them. For example, Bella Hadid undergoing plastic surgeries even before she turned 18, and Gigi Hadid having affairs with many of Hollywood's A-list men. "I think I'm a disciplined mom versus a strict mom," says Yolanda Hadid. But also, that job. The disciplining was from birth until about 12, and at 12, I set my kids free and they learned to become independent human beings. And after that, it's just catching them when they fall, she explains. "I don't run their lives. I don't make decisions for them. I'm just their energetic anchor, and I'm here for them to catch them when they fall." But as they say, too much freedom is also not good, especially when it comes to disciplining your children for their life ahead. So, what are some of the most bizarre things which make Yolanda Hadid's children so spoiled? Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss how Yolanda Hadid spoils her kids. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Yolanda Hadid has 3 children. Gigi Hadid, the eldest daughter in the family, Bella Hadid, and Anwar Hadid, the youngest and least famous child of the family. Both sisters, Gigi and Bella, have been slammed multiple times and referred to as fake social media supermodels and spoiled rich kids with bought careers. Critics are also saying that Gigi Hadid and her sister Bella Hadid's success and fame come from their mother, Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star Yolanda Hadid. Otherwise, they wouldn't have been the models they are today. According to page 6, Yolanda Hadid, along with her ex-husband Mohammed Hadid, have long been molding their daughters into the social media supermodels they are today, thanks to their shameless and tireless promotion. That is not the only way Yolanda spoils her kids. So what else does she do for them? We are going to discuss that next. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Yolanda Hadid is known to be a strict mom as she has imposed a diet plan on her children. She doesn't let her children eat anything that isn't included in the diet plan, no matter how much they insist. In one of Gigi's interviews, Gigi shared that her mom doesn't let her eat anything at all, and she has to spend her days on salads. In one clip, as Gigi prepares for her birthday, she tells her mom that she's excited about the food she'll be eating with her friends. "Pretty much all the food that we are eating is like a heart attack in a meal, but it's going to be so good." Yolanda replies, "You can have one night of being bad, then you gotta get back on your diet though." But that's the only thing Yolanda is strict about. We can all agree that by the looks of their lavish vacations, the children get to enjoy their freedom. After seeing multiple family photos of them spending their weekends in the most luxurious places on earth, one can only imagine how much money the family spends. Yolanda has definitely given her children the freedom of going wherever they want. We all know about their rich lifestyle, but Yolanda doesn't even care about her children's spoiled behavior. The Hadid family has been caught on camera abusing other fellow celebrities, even fans, and Yolanda has always been protective of her children and claims that they are not at fault, even though the Hadids were caught on camera misbehaving. "If they act like this in front of a camera, I don't want to know what they are like when the cameras are off," wrote one Twitter user. This person does have a point. The Hadids are now listed among the most spoiled children in the world. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the rich lifestyle of Yolanda Hadid and her children? And do you think they are spoiled rich kids? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.